biggest misconception is that they don't think we do anything because they don't see it happening. Clients ask what, no, my page looks different. And thanks to the visual recognition, you can actually see when it happened. I'm Coen, I work for Buro Staal. It's a WordPress agency in the Netherlands, and I do a bit of development and most of the support. We have 225 websites we do the maintenance for. It's a mix of all businesses. The biggest misconception is that they don't think we do anything because they don't see it happening. Obviously, we do quite some work on it. Weekly updates, monthly updates, core updates, malware cleanup if it's there. We use the auto schedule function. I think 200 are on our weekly schedule. When I come in the office on Tuesday morning, I just got to check the log, see what happened. Sometimes an update fails, so you got to log into a few. The rest is just manually, because those are the sensitive websites with a lot of custom work.
How do you get websites to perform really fast?
We use Cadence as the builder. We use it together with the Ollie team. For custom post types, we use ACF Pro. And to get everything as fast as we can, we use perf matters to lazy load, to optimize the CSS and JavaScript. I think biggest things are preloading, prefetching, and images you can make a lot of gains with and are a bit harder to grasp off, but it's once you know it, it's really easy.
Are you using AI in your development or support at all at this point?
We're looking to integrate the WP Remote AI API in our support flow. But for development, yeah, we use Cursor a lot. Together with the SSH extension, we can just give it access to the code base and have fast debugging or development.
Some agencies often wonder about using visual regression for updates and how to make it part of a workflow. Are you using visual regression in your workflow at this point?
We use it on every website. We take 3 separate pages on both mobile and desktop, and it runs every single day. And pixel perfect. Sometimes clients ask what, no, my page looks different. And thanks to the visual regression, you can actually see when it happened and how it happened. So I think it's a really useful tool. We get notifications when pages change drastically. So without looking at a page, we can solve the issues before the client even notices.
Okay, so this is your third WordCamp. So can you tell us some things you really like about WordCamp, why you are now regularly attending?
I think it's really nice to network with a lot of different people from a lot of companies. You can also compare other companies and ask them, okay, what's your USP and why should we choose for you? And it's really good moments to have in-person conversations about the products you use and get some feedback, get some news about the new updates. I think the network is really valuable, but also just having fun, connecting with the community, and you will always learn something new.